This video will demo the installation of pynvme as well as executing it under vscode. Fetch the pynvme source code from GitHub using this address. Execute install shell. Upon successfully installed, you will see the pynvme Python package highlighted here. Install the VS Code using sudo. Install the extension, which will provide DUT status and command log later. Get the PCIe address of the DUT. Copy it. Modify VS Code setting using the address copied just now. Still in pynvme folder, launch VS Code. User can view all the test cases by clicking down. They can run an individual test. A green tick will appear once it's passed. The right side is the log. The center is the source code console. Can run the test. User can create a breakpoint. Breakpoint is hit. You can step through. And do a kernel restart. By clicking the run, you will run all the test cases under it. User can view the queue under the queue pair status, and the command log will display at the center console. pynvme allows user to add new test cases as well. You can create a name for it. Import the necessary packages to the new test script. You can add the new test code here. Save it. Perform a kernel restart. The new test case will appear inside the breakpoint. You can run it. Please take note the log will appear under the output tab. Thank you for viewing this pynvme video. User can access the README file with more details. Or the doc folder. Please contact me through pynvme in GitHub if you encounter any issue. Thank you.